Cancer 2018. For financial year of Cancer, I mention January, April, July, August, November. In this month, your financial position may arises, and you have to got a gain in your financial matters. But you may careful in June. Please, you do not take investment. You do not put investment in the June. You may losses. Property matters. For your property matters, sale, purchase, construction, the positive month for your property matters, March, April, November. In this month, you may sell, purchase, or construct a property, and you have a very positive response in these matters. Children, your love, your education. For these purposes, April, October is very positive month indicated in your horoscope. Your children, your love affairs, and your education. But you may careful about December and June. June and December, these months are very careful about your children health, your love matter, your educations. Your health. This year is very careful about your health. I also mentioned a month, May, June, August. These months are very negative for your health. In this month, your health has been affected. Litigation. For litigation purpose, this year has been very trouble, January to November, but in December that has been very positive for litigation matter. If you have faced any litigation, you win the case. Marriage matters. For marriage matters, this year has been very problematic for your marriage matters. You may have to careful about your marriage matters, relationships. Business / partnership. For this your business purpose, this year has been very careful about doing a new business or partnership. Please be careful. There have been problem indications in your horoscope. Accidents matters. For this purpose, January, February, June, August, these months are very careful. You may have to spend about, because in your horoscope this month has been indicated any accident or a major surgery in your horoscope. Foreign travel / immigration. For the whole years, this is very positive area for your foreign travel, foreign contact, or immigration, file immigration, or get admission in foreign countries. Job / career. In this year, this has been very mixed result about job or career. First of all, I mention bad month for your career or job: January, February, May, December. These months are very negative for your career or job. Please be careful. I also mention positive month in your in year 2018: March, April, September. These months are very positive for your